Hello, my name is Florestela González Cabral. I am 37 years old. I'm from India. I am very happy. I love my family. I am swimming sections company in Sena Guainía, UNAD. I work in the Sena Guainía. I am treasury. I love playing in volleyball. I live in India in Brisa del Palmar. My husband is Alexander Melgarejo. I live with my husband and my 3 children. I manage the SPG fire and in the departments of Guinea, which join the 20 Festival of Collins and the Summer Festival. This is very important event for the regional roles for 5 consecutive days where different regional and national musical groups participate, demonstration of culture and more. Also, this festival has a diversity of indigenous cultures where they demonstrate their cuisine, parentis, pyrotechnics, gowns, dances, and various activities for the entire region. In the afternoon, takes places of bonfire, going to a bonfire in a very intense experience. In India, there are beautiful places and for the adventures, the Mavicure has their charm. You better wait to her family to the party in India, an adorable corner of the world. Thank you.